Hey Kai, you ready for your first food of your life?
Whoa.
I see you got the bib on and everything.
Kai Zen has his first grown-up food.
Roll up your
Looks
sleeves.
so good.
You think something's going on.
Tonight we're having carrots.
Oh, look, he wants some.
Want to try some? Let's make sure it's... Here, ready? Okay, hold on.
He's ready to dig in.
Gotta put it in your mouth and taste it. Are you kidding me? This is what you people eat at the table?
That first reaction.
This is what you guys eat all the time?
His face. He's eating it though.
What's that? Is that good? Not really. Is that good?
It's good though. He's eating it. He's swallowing it.
It's not bad.
He makes that weird face though.
It's not as good as that milk I got, huh? Not yet.
What do you think about first taste of food?
Is it good?
He's like, it's very strange, but I'm gonna keep eating it.
Yay, Kai!
It's funny that he's still like, he doesn't reject it though.
His face is like, but I'm gonna just keep eating it. You get used to it.
It's like he's about to cry.
Carrots. Is that good?
He's like, finally, I'm eating.
Do you want more? Whoa, Mommy just got it on herself. There we go. Seriously? Mommy has a hair in it? So when they start getting their hands in their food, they start wiping it in their hair. Okay, maybe. Are we good now? What do you think about that, huh? What do you think about that, little boy? Wipe that in your bib. You're gonna have orange poop tomorrow, you know. Want some more? Not sure? You just want the spoon? How is that? If you get a map for the floor. Saves a lot of cleanup.
Alright. First experience done.
Say bye to Daddy.
Bye, Kai.